How to enable share button on Facebook Lite. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily enable the share button on Facebook Lite. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Lite app, and once you open it up, just make sure that you're logged into your account. I'm currently logged in with my page, so I'm going to go ahead and switch account from here. So here I have switched to my main account. Now you can tap on the profile icon to simply head over to your profile, or tap on the menu first and then go to view your profile. Since I have locked my profile, first I'm going to have to unlock it to enable the share button. Tap on the three dots, and then here you will find the unlock profile button. Tap on unlock and then unlock your profile. Once you've done that, just scroll down and find the post that you want to enable share in. Tap on the three dots of the post. Here you'll have to change the audience. Make sure that it is set to public, and doing this will allow your friends to share this to their timeline as well, and your reach will also increase. You can change all of its settings as well, so you can do that if you go back to your menu and then find settings and privacy, go to settings. Then you can scroll down audience and visibility, and here you will find the followers public content and then your profile details as well. So if you just go ahead and go to followers and public content, you should be able to change the settings to public. Now you can change all of this to public and you should be good to go. That's how you basically allow the share button on Facebook Lite. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.